Okay, I got my plug in for my bass guitar today, and I put it here. I'm not using this one yet because this one I want to go to a humdinger later. But this one can be a piezo. Plug it in like that, and it's in. It's ready to go. And so what I'm gonna do is get my pick and my new slider and cut my speaker on my amp. That's pretty loud, ain't it? Let's face it towards the computer and see if it don't pick up sound good. What do you think? It works. That's what I wanted to see. It picks up real good the way I done it. So I'm happy. And there we go. There we go. It's all unplugged. I got two speaker cords. That other one, it ain't nothing compared to this one. This is the one. It's short, but that's the one. So, y'all have a good day. This is Larry, and I'm out of here. Hoo-yah.